Tired of watching your hard-earned money disappear every time you fill up your tank? Well, if you're a Walmart member, you could be saving a whole lot more at the pump, especially at Murphy USA gas stations today. I'm going to show you exactly how to use your Walmart membership to snag those sweet fuel discounts. First things first, open the Walmart app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in with the account linked to your Walmart membership. Next, tap on the menu icon Y Euro. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines in the corner Y Euro, and find the Walmart Plus section. Tap on that. Alright, scroll down until you see the fuel benefit. It should clearly state that you can save at Murphy and ExxonMobil stations. Tap on that fuel option. You'll likely need to link your Walmart account to your Murphy Drive Rewards account. Don't worry, it's super easy. Just follow the on-screen instructions and hit that link account button. If you don't have a Murphy Drive Rewards account, the app will walk you through creating one. Now head to your local Murphy USA at the pump. Follow the prompts on the screen. Choose the option that mentions Walmart or Murphy Drive Rewards. It can vary. The pump will then prompt you to scan the QR code that appears in the Walmart app fuel section. Aim your phone's camera at the scanner on the pump. And that's it. The pump will automatically apply your Walmart discount, showing you the lower price per gallon that you will be paying. Now you can fill up your tank and enjoy those savings. So next time you're near a Murphy USA, remember to use your Walmart membership and save some gas. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more money saving tips. Happy driving!